Yo, it's your boy Zach and welcome to today's video. So I'm sitting here right now and about to edit this video and I realize that it's a little bit late, but this video took a little bit longer than I expected to film. And if you already read the title, you probably can understand why. So if you guys didn't know, I got a big Technique Lego Bugatti as a graduation gift, because I graduated a couple weeks ago, and just like the Lamborghini, if you guys remember that Lamborghini video where I did a time lapse of the whole thing, I basically did the same thing with the Bugatti. So yeah, enough talking, just enjoy the time lapse. Here we go, guys. The final wheel. Bam. There it is, guys. It is completely finished. The Lego Bugatti Chiron. Just under 12 hours of work. And this is the result. You know what? Let's film some cinematics. Cinematic time. So there you guys have it, the Lego Bugatti. Like I said, just under 12 hours of work. Of course, not all in one day. I spread that 12 hours over like 5 separate days because I can't be asked to sit here and build a set for 12 hours straight. So yeah, I've built the Bugatti, I've built the Lambo, and I also built the Lego Porsche too. You can see it right behind me, right there. But I built that before I had a channel, so I did not have any chance to film it or anything. So there's no time lapse for that, but now I have the full set. So that's pretty much it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Tell your friends, tell your family, let everybody know about me, Zach FTW. Stay awesome.